Now, one thing that helps, let me show you, as a matter of fact. One thing that does help when you're going to be carrying things from one room to another. If you're going to be going, like here, I'm in an upstairs room and I've got to walk through my house with everything that I just cooked. What I like to do is use the slow cooker liners or oven bags. Okay, these are fantastic. They handle high heat. They come 8 in a box for the small box. They're relatively inexpensive, like $3 or $4. And what I'll do is I'll cook all of my test tubes or my jars in them, and then I can bring it up sealed. That way they're never exposed to any outside air at all. They always stay sealed. If I need to haul them somewhere, they'll be in this oven bag. So that's a little tip for any of you guys that are trying to do something and you don't want to get contamination. Look, I got 3 dogs, chickens, cats, pigs, every damn thing else, and and thank God my yeah, well, not in the house, but they're everywhere. The stuff gets on your clothes, the stuff gets everywhere. I mean, I'm sure if you guys have any animals, you're going to pick a stray hair off of your clothes here and there. Well, guess what? That stuff's floating around in your air, and it will contaminate your work. So that's the reason that I seal everything. Everything's done in a contained environment. Even if I have to go from one part of the house to another part of the house, the oven bag really helps with that. And if you've got to let it sit for a little while, you can leave it sitting in that, in that bag, not worrying about what's going to land on it. If they were just some jars sitting out, you never know what's going to happen sitting on the top of those jars or right up under the lip of the jar where you're going to undo that. That's always a pain to deal with, and it's always a headache, to tell you the truth. So.
Yeah,